What up, what up, what up, what up, YouTube? As you could tell by the title, I blew an account. It was really, really bad. It's a little enticing, intense a bit, because it wasn't just now. I didn't just blow an account. This was, as you can see, back around March 2021. It was really well. It really actually the situation started in like January. But by the time March came, I was very, very sorry for my lack of intense knowledge. Like I knew how to trade by this point, but I wasn't. Uh, I was profitable, but I wasn't consistently profitable. Um, over like, well, I mean, I can't even say that per se. I I hadn't locked in the emotionally consistent side of being profitable. And that just means like I didn't know how to handle my big wins or my super big losses as well as I am, today, 4 years later today. So let's I'm gonna take you through how it happened, and kind of what was going through my mind. This is, or if you guys were trading back then, you remember like how, you know in the media this run up was. We started breaking through all time highs, and I did end up making more money in some of these other highs, but I ended up, I think I stopped trading for a little while, like right around here, because we were just seeing a lot of weakness in the market. But um, back to me blowing my account. So right around here, a lot of us. This is around the time I started getting into chat rooms and stuff. Like I took like a bunch of time, to myself, just building my strategy, learning how to trade before this point and leading up to it. And I started getting into chats and seeing people call trades and send signals and whatnot. And a bunch of us got a bunch of buy signals around here, like a bunch of us. And I was one of those people, and I got in. And when I say we made money, I personally, just me, I made over $50,000 from here to here, straight over leveraging, just crazy over leveraging a funded account at the time, and just, like leveraging out of my mind, right? Make like, I think I make like just over like 50, 52, and then I take like 20 out. I'm like, all right, let's let it run. It runs, and by the time it gets here, I over leverage even more. I'm like, I need that. We're going to the moon. You know what I mean? 60K, we want it. You know what I mean? Comes here, and for some odd reason, for some odd reason, when this candle wick like this on the day, wick like this on the day, I leverage more. I'm watching my account day by day. I'm like, what? What? We're going higher. We're going higher. We're going higher. I see this wick. I buy right around the close. Again, more over leveraging. You know what I mean? I'm like, what? It's house money. I don't want whatever. Let me take out the measuring tool so you can understand this dip intensely. You see that number on the screen? That is 14,000 points. Right? And I think I dropped like I know my MT4 was set to like 5 lots, like just standard. It was always at 5 lots. Sometimes I go up, sometimes I go down, and I was taking entries. You dig what I'm saying? So I was down like just about all of it. I think I was up maybe like maybe like $1,600 still by this point, and I'm just like, I need to close out. But I gotta buy. I gotta. Somebody sent a buy signal, and for some reason, I'm like, it's right here, right here. Somebody sent the buy signal right at the top of this green candle, and for the life of me, I can't give you the super rationale outside of pure FOMO, pure FOMO, fear of missing out, because I saw that other people were taking the trade, and it was a fairly profitable in everybody's face guy that called the signal, right? And I didn't even mean to. I didn't even mean to, because like I was thinking like, nah, I shouldn't drop like something crazy, but I hit buy, one click trading, and I forgot that my MT4 set on 5 lots still. So this measly little candle that comes next takes me out. It takes me out. So I made I made 50, lost 30. Cuz I took, when I say I took 20 out, I mean like I took it out of the off of MT4. I set it onto my broker. I hadn't fully taken it all the way out, but after this point I was like, okay, I'm done for a little while. I chilled, and then we started back trading in some of this over here, but it's moving sideways, so there wasn't that much opportunity in it. But and people, I tell people this all the time, because it comes up, as a trader. I haven't, in the interest of transparency is the reason why I'm telling the story here, but it comes up in conversation um more than you probably think. And you're like, how'd you make so much money, you just lost it all? It's like, it's easy. It's very easy to make so much money and lose so much when you're in a point when you're lacking discipline still. When if you make $50,000 in a market, you're done. You're done. Take all your money, leave. I was still living with my mom. I was Well, actually, yeah, I was still living with my mom. Yeah, I went to the military, came back. When I came back, I started trading immediately, and this is after some months of some grunt work, but without the years of discipline. You know, so I this video, I hope, enlightens a lot of you to what it kind of takes to get to a place of really understanding these markets, and that's so you don't rush yourself to become you know um, consistent and profitable, and to get a lot of money. You know what I mean? Don't rush yourself to get a whole bunch of money in this space, because it's gonna come. You know what I mean? Like, I done made it back and lost it a couple of more times after this. Not that many times, but this was, I used this situation here specifically because number one, it was my biggest loss ever, and number two, it was my biggest lesson ever. It definitely like reined me in. Like, all right, never doing anything like that again. Like I don't take 10 entries for one trade anymore. That's insane. If you're still doing that, stop. It's insane. Don't do that. If you like the trade, then take a slightly bigger entry, but don't take 10 entries. It's paying more fee. It's no point. It's more stressful, and it makes it more of a casino vibe, and that's not what you want because you're not gambling, you're trading. So hopefully y'all learn a little bit from this, and if you like me doing story times about some of my trades, then let me know in the comments and by liking it, and we can do more of these because I actually have like a lot of crazy stories involving trading, and y'all might be interested, so let me know. All right, I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.